A-10 Thunderbolt, Warthog, United States of America. The A-10 Thunderbolt is a twin-engine close air support aircraft manufactured by Fairchild Republic, now part of Northrop Grumman, for the U.S. Air Force, USAF, also known as the Warthog, the Flying Gun and the Tank Buster. The aircraft was used extensively during Operation Desert Storm, in support of NATO operations in response to the Kosovo crisis, as well as in Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan and Operation Iraqi Freedom. Rocket-2 cluster bombs, cluster bomb unit CBU 5271, combined effects munitions, and mine-dispensing munitions. It can also carry laser-guided/electro-optically guided bombs, infrared countermeasure flares, electronic countermeasure chaff, illumination flares, and jammer pods. The Northrop Grumman Lightning ER, extended range, targeting pod has been successfully integrated on the A-10. The Lightning ER features a 640 by 512 pixel thermal imager, CCD TV, laser spot tracker/rangefinder, IR marker, and laser designator. The aircraft is armed with a General Dynamics GAU-8/A Avenger 30mm cannon mounted in the nose of the aircraft. Using the cannon, the A-10 can disable a main battle tank from a range of more than 500 m. The cannon can fire a range of ammunition, including armor-piercing incendiary rounds, API, weighing up to 0.75 kilograms, or uranium-depleted 0.43 kilograms API rounds. The magazine can hold 1,350 rounds of ammunition. The pilot can select a firing rate of either 2,100 or 4,200 rounds a minute. Engines and performance of the A-10 aircraft. The two TF-34GE100 non-afterburning turbofan engines, supplied by General Electric, each provide 9,065 pounds of thrust. The location of the engines, high on the fuselage, allows the pilot to fly the aircraft with one inoperable engine. The aircraft has a standard range of 800 miles, 1,287 kilometers, and a maximum speed of 420 miles per hour, Mach 0.56. It can reach an altitude of 45,000 feet, 13,636 meters.